Hello, and welcome to another video. My name's Deborah, and this is Deb's Bean. Today, I'm going to show you how I transformed a pillow into a tote bag. This is the tote bag. As you can see, it has a very cute cactus print. My sister got this really cute throw pillow at the thrift store, but they're not really throw pillow people, so they put it in their giveaway pile. And when I visited them, I went through their giveaway pile and saw this really cute throw cushion, and I was like, why are they giving this cute throw cushion away? I just had it sitting on the floor all the time because throw pillows are uncomfortable. They're pretty, but they're uncomfortable. So I'm not really a throw pillow person. Anyway, I really thought the fabric was cute and I didn't want to put it to waste. So this is how I transformed a cute throw pillow into a usable, functional tote bag. The first step is to stitch rip the two layers apart. The stuffing is green, which is weird, but I will still use it for other projects. Laying out my fabric, I marked 2 inches in up one side. Then I cut this off. I repeated this for the other piece. The 2-inch pieces are going to be the straps, and the bag body is 14 inches across. Laying the body pieces together, right sides touching, I sewed a straight stitch followed by a zigzag stitch along the sides and the bottom. Next I pulled one of the corners open so that the side seam and the bottom seam matched. Measuring up 2 inches, I marked a line across, forming a triangle. And pinned this into place. I repeated this process for the other side and then sewed along the marked lines. You can see the bag is much more boxy. Next, I folded the bag down 1/4 inch and then again a full inch to finish the top edge. I sewed twin lines around the top with matching thread. For the straps, I folded them in half with the good sides together and stitched up the side. Then I flipped them right side out using a safety pin. So satisfying. I tucked the ends into the strap and clipped that in place. Then I clipped down the length of the strap so that it lay flat, and tucked in the other end as well. Then I sewed all the way around with a straight stitch and repeated on the other strap. I decided I didn't like the visible stitching on the interior, and the zigzag stitch wasn't stopping the fray, so I used twill tape that I got from the thrift store to cover the inside seams. To sew on the straps, I decided where I wanted them to be and marked it with chalk. I added another mark on the other side for symmetry, then pinned the straps in place. Flipping the bag over, I used the already pinned straps as a guide and pinned the second strap in place. I sewed the straps down using a straight stitch in a box shape. And I was done! I hope that you enjoyed this video and you find inspiration from it, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye!